When we think of blood vessel structure, we have three tunics that we'll look at, and you can kind of focus on this picture while I speak through some of these pieces. With the tunica intima, this is the innermost layer. It's the layer that contacts blood, and it is, we could say it's simple squamous epithelium, or you could just call it endothelium in all vessels. It is continuous to the endocardium, and its job is to really maintain a slick surface to reduce friction. There is a subendothelial layer, a layer just beneath the endothelium that is loose connective tissue in vessels that are a little bit larger. There are also some vessels will have an internal elastic membrane, and really the job of this layer is to create a permeability barrier, clot regulation, inflammation, allow for blood flow, and cellular growth. And this is what it looks like. So we can see our tunica intima layer. The innermost layer is going to be our endothelium on all vessels. Some vessels will have the subendothelial layer of loose connective tissue shown here. And then we see for this artery, we do have an internal elastic membrane, but we don't have that on this venous side. Our tunica media is media middle layer. It's our muscle layer, so circular smooth muscle. Also has some elastic fibers. There's an external elastic membrane, and this is really where vasoconstriction, vasodilation are taking place from. It's controlled by our sympathetic nervous system as well as some local chemical players. This is where blood pressure is maintained and flow is directed, and it's the thickest or the most prominent in our muscular arteries. So we see our tunica media here. We can see that there is smooth muscle here, a lot thicker, obviously, in our arteries than our veins. And then our arteries, again, have this external elastic membrane. And last but not least is the tunica externa, sometimes also called the adventitia. This is the outermost connective tissue, which is loose collagen fibers, and it's the anchoring area. It's anchoring the blood vessel to the surrounding tissue. It does have its own nerve fibers and lymphatic vessels, as well as the vasovasorum, which are small blood vessels that are within this vessel wall itself to nourish these outer layers. The inner layers can be nourished by the blood that's passing through. So the tunica externa, again, collagen fiber here, and we can see these little dots that's representative of blood vessels, veins, nerve supply, and lymphatics, and that's what this is pointing out, the vasovasorum. When we come back, we'll look at some gross anatomical structures.